Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Light green color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, yellow color, dark green color, violet color, black color, purple color, brown color, pink color, dark blue color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for ant. L for lion. P for parrot. Y for yogurt. Orange color. D for doll. I for ice cream. T for train. V for vanilla. Dark blue color. E for elephant. H for house. R for rainbow. U for universe. Pink color. B for bus. J for jam. Q for question. W for watch. Violet color. F for fish. M for monkey. O for ox. Light green color. C for candy. K for kiwi. S for sky. X for X-ray. Sky blue color. G for grapes. N for nose. Z for zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.